Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because I got my first ever manicure at a nail spa in Havelock City Mall. I was very nervous, but because the staff was very kind to me, I didn't get nervous anymore. First, they cleaned my nails very carefully. Then they shaped my nails. They were looking very nice and even. After that, they put some lotion and massaged my hand. That was my favorite part. It was so relaxing. Finally, I got to choose the nail polish color. I picked light purple. And here is the final result. Don't they look amazing? I couldn't stop looking at them like forever. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.